Today, Eleanor is traveling. She is very excited. It's her first trip.
Hey Mom, I'm going to London. I gotta go, okay? But I'll see you later. Bye. Excuse me, where is gate 14? Gate 40. Go straight and turn left. 14? 40. Wait. Why is gate 14 so far? I need a taxi. Sorry? Oh, this flight goes to Argentina. Argentina? I'm going to London.
Attention, the flight to London is tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow? Next time, Eleanor will check her ticket twice. Oh well, at least I found a cafeteria. Let's look again at some of the vocabulary that we had in that little video and see where things went wrong. First of all, where is gate 14? So in this case, the problem was with the numbers 14 and 40. With these numbers, remember that the stress falls in different places. So 14, the stress is on the second syllable, whereas 40, the stress is on the first syllable. 14 and 40. Directions can also be really tricky to master. So in this example, the directions that were given were go straight and turn left. So we can also say go straight on, go straight ahead, continue straight on, and turn left. This is something that we need to practice sometimes because directions, even for me in English, can be a little bit confusing. The third problem was the fact that I didn't look at my ticket properly. So my flight is tomorrow. This is really important. Always check your ticket because you need to know which day your flight is actually leaving on. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in comments and hit like and subscribe. See you next time.